Good morning, David. Up and down on trade talk and a little bit of talk about Powell here. If you look at the futures, we moved up, 10 points just before the open. And here's where Mr. Mnuchin said almost 90% done on the trade talk. We've heard that before. Then over here, President says he's happy where we are now, with or without a deal. Also said he had the right to fire Powell, reiterated that. You see the market moves down 10 points. So the market giveth, trade talk take it away. If you look at the sectors that are moving, finally a little bounce in energy stocks. Remember, we've had this nice move in oil all throughout the week, but energy stocks are moving a little bit today. Semis as well, utilities, staples lower, and finally a little deflation in the gold miners. Folks, it's about time. It got a little silly, some of the moves up in some of the gold and the gold mining stocks that we've seen. Oil stocks, just want to mention, nice rally in oil, but these big names that are in the oil service haven't done anything all week, despite the move up in oil and gasoline. Finally, a little move today. Remember, global oil production has slowed down, and that's one of the reasons these oil service names don't really bounce much anymore. We're ending the quarter. We're getting right near it. We're up about 3%, but I want to emphasize that this has been a big cap rally, a really super cap rally overall. Look at this. We're up 3%. Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Disney, and Apple basically are the reason we're up. These are the contributions they made to the rally. So Microsoft is almost 15% of the reason the S&P is up. 5% for Facebook, Amazon 5%, Disney 5%. Apple, you add it all together, 5 stocks are 30% of the gains in the S&P 500. That's what I mean when I say super caps are moving the markets in ways they never have before. Just take a look at what we've been doing here for the month here. We're talking about basically a rally that the S&P is up 3%, but all of the other sectors here, equal weight, only up 2%. Mid caps only up fractionally, and small caps are actually down. The super cap stocks are really moving the market overall, and that's the big thing here. So I just want to give you a thought experiment here. What would happen if the top 50 stocks in the S&P 500 were all up 1% for the quarter, and the other 450 were down 1%? You'd say, well, duh, what would the S&P do? Well, obviously, 50 up, 450 down, the S&P would be down. In fact, that's not true. The S&P 500 would be flat if the top 50 stocks were up and the bottom 450 were down. That's what I mean when I say super cap stocks have come to dominate the market. It's no longer, Sarah, growth at a reasonable price, Garp. It's growth at any price, and they'll pay anything for those big cap stocks.